This is my first purchase after marriage.
Our first purchase.
Sorry, our first purchase. And we have so many lovely memories with it.
Remember your late night sweet cravings?
And when you wanted chocolates and ice cream every hour?
And Kiara's sketches.
So many precious memories.
It has truly been a part of a family for almost 10 years.
But at some point, we had to let it go.
We had to let it go responsibly.
Contact LG Care and Delight Service and get your used electronics and home appliances picked up and recycled in an environment-friendly way.
Life's good.
When we upgrade responsibly.
Please visit our website or contact us on WhatsApp or our toll-free number.